What is going on, guys? This is Jonathan Farrell with Digital Growth Media. I'm super excited to show off the changes that have been made to the real estate agent snapshot. So this snapshot is completely ready to go. We added a whole bunch of different uh, automations in here, and I'm going to show you guys specifically what is in there in a minute. But first things first, the website is highlighted by a completely done website. This website is completely ready to launch. I've used this website with about 30 real estate agents so far, getting really good feedback, making a couple changes from the original version, but this one is fully ready to go. So ultimately, it's all set up with all the animations, all the coding, everything that you need to scale either your real estate agency or your real estate business. Everything has been made with custom values. I'll show you that to you in a minute, but this is basically the homepage. We have a buy a home section, sell a home section, and then obviously my nice little real estate headshot there just to cap it off. So again, just a couple things to change out. It's everything is going to change specifically based on how you guys input your custom values, even the social media icons here. What I mean by that is the entirety of the snapshot is built out with these custom values. Okay, you can see there's about 10 pages for this website: buy a home section, list the home section, and ultimately everything within the snapshot is built with custom values. So you will need to update it one time and it updates across the entirety of the snapshot. So phone number, licensing information, your logo, everything that you need is fully built into this for you to essentially launch this thing within 10 minutes. Obviously, custom values phone number, custom values company name. You can see how it's all built, right? So it's very easy and seamless for you to launch this within a span of a couple minutes. Just change out the photos and the logo. You're all set and ready to go, right? Everything has been done custom values, even the social media icon links right here. Okay. They all point to that page. That way you don't have to go in there and edit it every single time, right? What I mean by that is when you go into set up this snapshot, you can see there's 34 of them. A lot of them have to do with the websites and funnels itself. You can see right here, if you update this, the snapshot's going to update, right? Go to page 2. Everything is put in here. We got MLO name for, of course, their referral partners if they want to add their referral partners and get all that set up too. But you can see just all that you have to do is come in here, click on the nice edit button right here and input what you want, and it's going to go there, right? So again, within the snapshot, this is built out especially for realtors who want to do either lead generation or prospecting for their business. I've included 4 different funnels in here. There's technically 5 because the sell a home is a part of the funnel, but it is on the client's website. So that just needs to, if you want to, you can make, duplicate this and then add the proper steps for that. But we have the hero funnels, so military, and then the nurse. When I advertise to these 2 categories here, and this has really been driving good results for my own personal business. Okay, so again, to show you what the hero funnels look like, this is the home buyer, VA home buyer military funnel. And ultimately, what that looks like with all the custom values in place is it's going to be fully set up for you to market this online right now. Okay, you can see the animations that slide in, right? So again, everything is fully set, ready to go. Everything from the footer is fully set, ready to go. And I've actually been able to utilize this footer and this page to get a lot of A2P stuff approved. So ultimately, there's 5 different funnels that are in this. 4 of them are in this actual funnel section, and the sell at home page is listed on the website. I've also included what's called an open house attendee funnel. The biggest thing that's a pain in the butt is when I was working open houses with real estate agents is they use their nice little Excel spreadsheet, right? The nice little Excel spreadsheet, and then they never follow up on their leads. This funnel is a sign-in sheet funnel that automatically triggers automations for buyers contacts, right? So again, it's fully set up. Ultimately, the one thing that we added was a power dialer campaign. There are some agents that like dialing expired listings, or they like, calling on different leads lists and everything else. So there is a total of 6 different power dialer campaigns that are built in here. Specifically, if you wanted to call, it's fully set up to call. And this has been used in a number of my snapshots, like the life insurance snapshot, the mortgage snapshot. During the refinance boom, we were using these dialers to call on refinance leads. So again, this is tried and true and tested specifically for dialing out of GoHighLevel. Okay. Also included is the ringless voicemail drop. So again, when you're dialing, you don't want to, leave a voicemail every single time. Drop the voicemail. You're all set and ready to go. Okay. In addition to this, I have a couple of different campaigns. So obviously, we have the buyer campaign and we have the listing campaign, right? So we talked about that. Depending on what survey they come in from, it's going to trigger the campaign for them specifically. So this one is, of course, the open house visitor. You can see that when they come in from an open house, it triggers an open house campaign. It's a little bit more subtle versus the hit them hard, hit them fast. They just came through Facebook and you need to get them on the phone within 14 days. Otherwise, they're going to go on to the long-term drip. So there's a number of different things that you could see in here. Obviously, the long email drip, that's for marketing, is the hit them hard, hit them fast. And then obviously the open house visitor. On the listing side, it's a little bit less subtle. Again, this is more of the hit them hard, hit them fast. So we have the home evaluation drip, and then of course the long-term drip to keep them on. So again, there's a number of automations that have been built in here. The biggest thing is we really want to get them get you guys as much information as possible for the funnel. Please book a call with me if you have any questions about it, and I'd be more than happy to dive into the nitty-gritty details with you. So again, thank you guys. Appreciate you. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will chat with you guys a little bit later. Thank you.